Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy fruit dip. Oh yeah, I love fruit dip. This dip is a very common recipe. It's super duper easy to make. Only 3 ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, but they're pretty easy to remember. I have 8 ounces of softened room temperature cream cheese. And I want to just come in here with a hand mixer, blend this up. Alright, until it's just nice and smooth. Scrape down the sides a little bit. A lot of people will make this with just 2 ingredients, the cream cheese and the marshmallow cream. I like to add a little bit of citrus, either lemon juice or orange juice, about a couple tablespoons of orange juice. And then we want to add in the marshmallow cream. It just comes in a little container. There's a Jet Puff brand, or this is just store brand, Kroger store brand. And we will add this in there. And this is 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. So 8 ounces of cream cheese and 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. And now we'll mix this together. Maybe I'll add in the rest of this orange juice. Again, the citrus, the orange juice, or like lemon juice is optional. Alright, and now I'm just going to scrape down the sides one more time. And there we have it. Our fruit dip is ready to go. Easy as that. Takes just a few minutes to make, and you have a perfect dip that you can bring to a party or just serve for the family. And then, one thing I like to do, I'll get a little close up of this, is just make these little fruit kebabs. You can see those. And you can use all kinds of different fruit. I don't have any melons on here, but you could do like melons as well. But pretty neat, right? Strawberries, and I got peaches or nectarines, and some different colors of grapes and some banana. A lot of different fruit that you can make a little kebab. And I'm just using bamboo skewers that I just cut in half. But pretty awesome. And then I will just transfer it into a different bowl and serve it up on a plate with the little fruit kebabs. And just you can come in here. And it's just nice that you have the handle of the kebab to hold on to these little fruits. I mean, that way you don't get a bunch of So good. That way you don't get a bunch of fingers like trying to dip grapes really close to this. Of course, people can spoon out and serve themselves, obviously, but so good. All right, the fruit dip is done and turned out fantastic. It's really easy to do, simple ingredients, and it tastes amazing. If you like fruit and you like cream cheese, you gotta try this recipe out. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Yeah.